In colonial America, money meant survival. British coins were scarce, so colonies printed their own, but wartime inflation crushed the continental dollar. As currency lost value, soldiers went unpaid, supplies grew costly, and financing the revolution became as dangerous as fighting it. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Colonial America ran short on hard money. Gold and silver were scarce, so everyday life depended on credit, barter, and trust. People paid with crops, livestock, tools, labor, or foreign coins like Spanish dollars and British pounds when they could get them. British pounds were trusted, but rare in America. Colonies used local paper money, IOUs, and account books to keep commerce moving. When war began, the Continental Congress had no power to tax, so it printed money to pay soldiers and suppliers. Millions of Continental dollars flooded the economy, unsupported by gold, causing rapid inflation and public distrust. Prices exploded. Soldiers' pay became useless. The phrase, "not worth a Continental," captured the financial collapse. Despite paper money failing, barter kept armies alive. Food, clothing, and supplies traded directly to keep fighting. The revolution exposed the need for stable money, shaping America's future financial system long after independence.